Hey, hi everyone. So, guys, I'm live now and welcome to the 68th live session of Engineer Abhishek Roshan channel. So, I'm going to wait for you guys to join this live session. I know it is supposed to be 9 p.m., guys, but yes, okay. So, I've joined late. Am I audible? Can somebody confirm me? Am I audible? Can somebody confirm me, guys? You guys can join the live session, guys. Okay, so I'm waiting for you guys to join this live session. Okay, thank you for confirming me, AJ. Okay, okay, guys. So there are few announcements which I wanted to make it. Let everybody join. Okay, I know it's almost half an hour late. Yes. Okay, so it's Sunday, guys. Okay, so I normally I used to join at 9 p.m. But yes, again I came just now and I joined. Okay. So I was traveling and I joined. You guys can ask your queries, questions, doubts, and all. Okay. Hello, Surya. Surya Vanchi Social. Okay. Okay. Thank you for joining this live session. Thank you, AJ, for joining this live session. And I can see other candidates are also they are aware of my timing that is 9 p.m. But since I am late again, okay. Normally I am not okay. But yes, guys, I was traveling and again I just came and I joined. Okay, so I'm waiting for everybody. Okay, there are few things which I need to tell you because in the last live session also it was asked to me uh, for the candidates who are connecting from rest of the world like US, UK, and all. Right, so for them they are not getting the suitable timing. So there are three new batches as I have updated already. There are total three new batches which is going to start mostly by May end or first mostly first week of June only, guys. Okay, that is for sure that first week of June only the new batches. But those who are for them the timing does not suits. Okay, so for that I have already made few changes in my portal, or you can say there is a new category we have added only for them, right? So let me show you quickly. Let me know, guys, if you are able to see my screen. Are you able to see my screen? Can somebody confirm? Is my screen is visible? Can somebody confirm? Can you see my screen? Candidates. Guys, can you see my screen? Are you able to see my screen? Is this screen is visible to you? Okay. So guys, here, right? I'm not sure. Somebody can confirm me. Then I can start explaining. Surya, can you confirm me that this screen is visible, or AJ? One second, guys. Guys, can you confirm me my screen is visible to you or not? If you can confirm me, then only I can explain you guys. Okay, just one second. Just confirm me my screen is visible or not. Okay, thank you, Ashish, for confirming me. So, guys, you can see here. Uh, just go to this abrosh.com, right? And here only you are going to get all your complete one-stop solution, right? So why? Because at YouTube there are few things, those features are not available, right? So yes, it's not possible. So this is why this is my official portal, right? My company is also registered with this name only, abrosh.com, so everything is official here, right? So these are the services, right? Where you are going to get the interview question and answer for Linux, AWS, DevOps, and database. Soon, Bash scripting interview question and an answer will be also added to this section. There are more and more it will be coming, and these are the real production questions, guys, which has been asked in interviews, multiple interviews, to multiple companies only. Okay, so if you think that you are already expert of these skill sets, you can directly go ahead with this one, and you can go for the interview. Okay, and the second service is basically a one time appointment, right? So in this one, right, earlier I used to get so many requests for the mock interviews, okay, that you guys wanted to go for the mock interview. Suppose tomorrow is your mock interview is there, or day after tomorrow, or right. So I don't have any solution for that one, that how I should be taking the mock interview, because through YouTube it's not possible. Okay, this is a appointment kind of a feature, which we have developed in our own portal, in our own website, right? Where you can directly go ahead, just click on this one, book now, and you can check the slots, right? As per that, for example, for AWS as of now, right, there is no slots I have allocated as of now, because it's already allocated to the other services, okay? Like Linux mock interview is there. Soon I'll be adding this to Monday to Friday also. I need to set the time. As of now, I have kept only for Saturday and Sunday. So you can see, if you wanted to go for a Linux mock interview or AWS, and soon DevOps will be also added same way, just click on this one and just see the slots. Just click on any of these slots, okay, and go ahead for book now. So there will be a meeting appointment which you will be receiving, and which you need to connect on the same day, same timing. If you are going to miss this one, there is no reschedule, okay, for that one. So you need to go and see the terms and condition also, right? So this is one time appointment, guys. And plus, recently candidate has been started for career counseling, so you can book the career counseling also, because I believe first you need to consult, then only you should go for any skill set. Don't waste your money here and there, very honestly speaking, okay? So it's very simple and easy, guys. Before going, see, we do not do medication by ourselves. If you are going to do the medication by yourself, obviously there are so many side effects. So you are not a doctor, okay? So who is the expert of that thing? Let them go ahead with that, okay? So let them go ahead with that. So if I have given almost 15 years to this industry, and I can give you the right direction, right? Because worked with almost 8 organizations that you guys are already aware of that one. So let me guide you with your current situation, okay? What is your current situation? I am going to understand. According to that, I am going to give you the right solution. I have already, there are so many videos available in my channel also, which you guys can go through. I don't think so anybody has done that much of career counseling also, that officially I am talking about. It is there, 40 plus videos are there in my channel, okay, only for the career counseling. It is more than that I have already done before, but earlier I used to do it through YouTube, and it was a very hectic, because I need to schedule everything, right, manually. But now, since I have my own portal, right, and you guys can simply go ahead, book your career counseling, right, and you can connect with me, and you can take the correct guidance, right? So that is there. And again, there are other requests also which was coming, that sir, like, see, my batches, obviously, I have already told to you guys that the batches are going to start mostly from June first week, right? So from June first week, and the timings are 10 to 11 a.m. in the morning, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. in the evening, and then 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. again in the evening, okay? So all the batches are going to run in this timing only. If you are a working professional, or if you are a fresher also, but or you are connecting from some different time zone, right? So if these timings are not okay with you, okay, so for them, because last time there are queries coming to me that, sir, we this timing does not suits us, okay, because, right, because of some other work and all. So in that case, guys, see, again, I'll be sharing here the screen. See here. So my suggestion is that, see, I am going to upload the same videos only. These are going to be my recorded videos of my batches only. Okay. But this is in the form of recorded videos. Okay. There won't be any support, first of all, because in the live classes, you are going to get a support. Here, there won't be any support. Obviously, not possible. Okay, so you are going to get only the videos, and these videos are almost same, there is no difference. Okay, those are the classes videos only, right? My classes videos only here I am going to upload in the for AWS, DevOps, Linux and Bash. So if you don't have time, you only wanted to go ahead with my video and wanted to prepare by yourself, you can go ahead with this one. Okay, as I said, and also read the terms and condition for validity of these videos, guys. Okay, that is important, because there are so many issues I have faced in the past because of this only, where candidate don't read the terms and condition and they send mails, okay, without knowing the terms and condition, right? So this is what again I am informing you guys, that this is already, as of now, if you wanted to go ahead and enroll, the enrollment will be closed, because still we are uploading the videos, my team is uploading the video, right? So we are in a process of uploading the videos. Once it will be completed, the enrollment will be open and you can go ahead and you can buy. One more thing, guys, in this one, if you click on this one, somebody has asking that, sir, these are the same mock interview which is there in your channel. Yes, so these are the same mock interviews which is there in my channel, which is as currently in subscription. So what is difference between there and here? So in my channel, YouTube that is YouTube policy. I cannot change the YouTube policy because that is managed and maintained and governed by completely YouTube only. Okay, right? So I don't have a control on that one. So YouTube basically uh, do a monthly subscription, right? So for these videos, it is going to some subscription you need to pay, and I think that will be more for 1 year. But here, the same thing I have reduced for this access. It's going to be mostly 1 year only. All the videos, okay? It's a yearly basis only, right? And it is not much, okay, because you are paying for your OTT platform, for Netflix, for other platforms and all, as I said, for your gym, for your foods and all. So this is for your own learning, right? That is also an investment, guys. Okay, and that is going to be for you only, right? So that will be there. So my suggestion is that if you are going with this one, so 1 year access you are going to get in this one, which you are not going to get in YouTube, because in YouTube it's a monthly based subscription, right? They don't have a yearly based subscription, which they, I don't think so. I have suggested to them. Let me see what feedback they have given, because the same video I have uploaded in my channel also. Either if you only wanted to go with monthly basis, you can go ahead with that one, right? So that you need to pay, right, 799 something, and if you multiply that one to a year, it will be coming somewhere around like 12K or something, 9, oh yeah, 12K something, or it is coming somewhere around. Compared to that one, this 1 year access validity you are getting only at 2,999. Okay, so that you can try it out. Okay, there is not a small difference, and more which this is there. But these are the videos which you are not going to get anywhere except my live classes. Okay, and even in my channel also these videos are not there. Okay, because these are my classes videos which I'm going to upload, which is already started. So once it will be done, this you guys can keep on check this one. Anyways, I'll be updating in through YouTube also, through my community post also, and I'll be making some videos also, so you guys will come to know that fine, this basically these videos are live, right? This is only for them who don't have time, and their time schedule does not align with my classes batches schedule. Okay, not a small difference, I'm telling you. Only difference is that in my live classes, so that will be like your live support will be there from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. if you have any doubts and queries. Plus there is a 3 years access validity in that one. Okay, so the fee is also a little bit higher than this one. Obviously it's a live class videos, it's a live class only, and once the class will finish, I'll record the video and I'll upload to in my batches in this one. This is a batches one. Okay, so these are basically live batches, okay, live classes. But again, during the classes also the videos will be get recorded, and that will be uploaded to a central server, and you are going to access at any point of time, okay, for 3 years. And also there will be a support also in the ongoing batches, right, to the upcoming batches. These are for batches, guys, okay. In these videos there is no support, very honestly, from upfront only I am going to tell you that these are the videos only for them who don't have time to join my batches, because I was getting so many request messages and all. According to that only we have created this section, okay. So that is there, and that's it. These many things are there, guys, okay. So you guys can go ahead and check this one. So I have tried to provide all the solutions for you guys, so that it is going to help you to get the job. And 100% if you follow the same way, there is almost 199% success rate is there, okay. So that is there, guys, right? Okay, so you guys can ask your questions, queries, okay. So I'll be taking few. These are the announcements which I wanted to make it with you guys, that these are the announcements only, right? So you can ask your queries. You can ask your questions, guys. Okay, I'm waiting for your questions. I'll be looking at my right side because my monitor is at right side. Okay, so that is there. Okay, please ask your queries, questions, doubts. Okay, so guys, also I'm requesting you to uh, please subscribe the channel, because last time also I said that your subscription is directly proportional to my effort, guys. Okay, it's appreciation. That is what. So I need your support, right? So please support, keep on supporting the channel. I'll be keep on uploading the new beauty videos. Uh, Hopefully now I'll be uploading the DevOps videos also as a shorts. Okay, and AWS anyways I have started, right? So it will be there. So Mohit, it's not okay. It's I'm not explaining. I have already explained regarding. Okay. So what is your question, Mohit? Ask only one question. Don't ask multiple questions. Okay. So you can ask in a one comment. Okay, that is fine. So please, what about Bash scripting and Python? It is there already. Okay. No, Python I don't take classes because both of them are scripting language. First, you guys have to understand one thing. Okay. So that is there, right? So in my batches it is already there. So if you are going to join the batches, so you will be learning the Linux plus Bash, because both of them complement each other. So if somebody knows Linux, so he is going to do a better automation guy, Linux automation engineer. And there is a so much of demand for a Linux automation engineer is coming, but we are not getting proper resources, right? The main reason is that, see, somebody who is already working on troubleshooting, he can only automate his steps, right? That is true. And how he can automate the steps? So he can automate the steps by using your shell scripting, correct? So I'm going to show you one script. Just see the script, then you guys will understand how basically this is very basic script. That is not something which is very complicated. Okay, and okay, answer to all. I'm just answering to your questions. Okay, and the second question what you have asked for interviews. Okay, so for interviews, if you wanted to go for an interview for Linux, right? So soon I'll be updating the mock interviews for Linux and Bash. I ask together. Okay, normally it's not things are like I take separate. No, so it's going to be together. Normally during the interview only I ask to the candidate that they have done some kind of automation or not. So they will think automation means only Ansible. No, you guys are absolutely wrong. Ansible does not mean only automation does not mean only Ansible. No, Ansible is a configuration management tool which you use to configure your right infrastructure. There is another automation tool, that is Terraform is also there, right? So infrastructure as a code. Okay, so that we use it, but mainly when we talk about automation, so how you are going to remove or how you are going to overcome the repetitive task, that is the question. Okay, so normally if you really wanted to understand where automation basically works, so if you wanted to automate your repetitive task which you are doing on a daily basis, for example, let me show you something to you guys, one second, then it will be more clear for you. Just let me know if you guys are able to see my screen. Are you able to see my screen? Can somebody confirm me? Are you guys able to see my screen? Okay, now see here quickly. Okay, so if somebody knows already about what is software package management, what is this DNF upgrade hyphen Y? Okay, this is your upgrading yours. So basically, if you don't know, first you need to understand the Linux point of view, that you should be aware of your software package management, which is already part of. So these kind of a things only I take, which is pure practically pro in production what we implement, guys. Okay, and then what to automate these steps, right? What I am doing in these steps, I am just preparing, I am just installing a HTTPD server. What is that HTTPD server? That is a web server only, right? Correct. So you are just trying to install a Apache HTTPD. HTTPD, D stands for daemon, not demon, evil. It's daemon. Okay, so that is daemon. So it's a process, it's a service, right? Correct. A running program, right? So which you wanted to install. So then only you will be able to see what, if you know, if you can come over here, what is this abrosh.com, where it is running, where it is running. This is running in Apache HTTPD only, right? This is a web server. In the web server only it is running. So what you see in front of this one, so this is just a theme. Okay, so when you are running a website, guys, please understand this is a complete this way. Very practically my approach, my implementation, everything is from production environment. I don't teach those ABCD and all. Okay, if you are coming to my classes, so you should be ready with the industry stuff. Means what, in IT company we work, because I came from, I worked almost 15 years, right? So I need to tell you those things only, right? Which is going to help you to get the job, right? So simple, understand this one. So this is just HTML, CSS, JavaScript, that is. But when you talk about the functionality, like suppose enroll, if you click on this one, it will redirect you to new page. What is happening now? So this is a functionality, right? So now from here you'll be click on this one, it will go to checkout page, right? That is a functionality. So for that, here I am using PHP. Like Java is a programming language, PHP is also a programming language. For business logic, for programming, we use PHP, .NET, C Sharp, Java, right? So these are, so I am using this one only, right? So please, but this is just a, means the website. But where is this website running? It's running in a Linux operating system. Fine, you told Linux operating system, but on top of that, you have to install one server, right? What is that? That server is nothing but, that is basically a service, HTTPD, and that is that service. This one, Apache HTTPD, right? So if you are not going to install this one, then how? But are you going to install it manually? No, right? Are you? Somebody is not waiting for Mohit, that Mohit should come and I have given a task to Mohit. Okay, and Mohit will come, and Mohit what he will do? So Mohit, please go ahead and can you do the installation of this Apache HTTPD? So Mohit is not going to do it manually, right? Correct. So his company is waiting for Mohit, so he should be doing manually. But if he don't know about Linux, he don't know about services, he don't know about Apache HTTPD, how it works, then how can he automate like that? That is a bash scripting, simple and easy. But Python is something which is, right, which is a third party thing. Okay, but this comes by default with a Linux operating system. 600 plus distributions are there. In most of the distribution you are going to get bash shell. We look for candidate patching, still they are doing with the scripting only. Are they doing with the Python? Migration work, most of the migration work will be carried out by using bash scripting still. But we don't have a resource, because we are in some dreams every time. Boss, first eat what is there in front of you. So who is the better automation guy? See, I'll tell you who and whom we prefer in company, because we take interviews, right, on a regular basis. Taken more than 300 plus interview. All migration work is coming to 90% of the works are migration work in current. Everybody is moving from on premises to cloud. In that sequence only, you need to automate the things. How you are going to automate the things? Have you done any kind of a, first you don't know about Linux, then you are telling that I will go with Python. Yes, go ahead, right? So see, it's not like that I cannot teach, but I take only things which is favorable, right? Where which is adapted by 90% of the organization, right? You can go ahead with that one. So you see here, so first you need to understand how software package management works. So what is this DNF, what is the repo and all, how this repo works over here. Forgot about this HTTPD, this is a service. First you need to understand why we are using, we can use yum also, right? Why we are not using yum, why we are using DNF, depends upon the flavor of the operating system. If it's a Debian based, you need to change this one. If it's a Red Hat, you have to go ahead with that. So first you need to understand that one. Now you have to understand the complete structure of your Apache HTTPD. What are their default directories when you install Apache HTTPD? Like same Apache Tomcat, and then you can automate the steps one by one. This is a very small simple script I have explained over here. This is the simplest. These kind of a thing I used to explain in my classes. If I'll show you why, sir, you have written like check exit function and all like this, if I'll show you this one, you will say, sir, how to do this one? See why we need to add this user group and all. Arey boss, you guys don't know anything. These things they need it in production environment. We know only few words, Python or Bash. We know only few words. So if you want to know something, then you have to join the classes. That's what I said. But at the same time, right? At the same time, I ask, okay, if you're okay, if you know Bash scripting, then come for my mock interview. Why you are not going for the mock interview? If you know, there are so many requirements. Recently, one of my candidate Prabhat got 42 LPA package only because of this Linux automation engineer role, right? Because they need it, he got selected. One second, guys. Okay, guys, I got some few calls. Okay, so where I was, okay. So only this. So I think I have already answered your question. I already working in Linux administrator. That is good thing, Mohit. Okay, trigger in my organization for I used Python mostly. Will need to learn Bash scripting in JD. They want Python. Okay, depends upon organization to organization. But for most of the role, Mohit. Okay, whether it's a SRE role, platform engineer role, or a DevOps role, they need this Bash. Okay, because that comes by default. Now I have a very simple questions to you guys. Those who you can do the same thing manually. See here, this script. Okay, this script, if I'll show you, okay, if you see here, if this script is here, right? So where is that script? So this script, anybody can do the same. See, you can steps, you can execute these are commands only, right? These are small commands only, right? Or it is a rocket science. These are Linux commands only, right? Correct. Those things you are putting in the form of a script. So who is a better automation guy who knows about already about his system, who already knows about his system and he is automating? So you can showcase also yourself in the current organization, right? Forgot about few any organization anyways, they need it these things and all, but candidate afraid of going with the bash scripting. That is good thing that you know about bash scripting, right? And if you don't know, then do my batches, Go ahead with the interview question, go ahead with the mock interviews and all, right? And if you are already expert of everything, then you are very good, correct? And I am not telling that Python is no. At the same time, I am just telling you which is favorable, okay, for Linux. That is what, right? So that is there, Kiran. So, sir, as a Linux admin with 4 years of experience, what salary should I ask in my next company? I have been working at the same company for past 4 years and currently earn 3 LPA. So my suggestion is, Kiran, see, simply if I'll tell you something, right? So some number you need it, right? Correct. Better it's that let me understand you where you stands recently, right? So for you the suggestion is that please come for the career counseling, okay? So there I can give you better suggestion. If I'll give you some number, suppose you know you are not going to get that package, okay? Then what you'll do? Sir told me. So sir told me on what basis? Only with some simple question that you have asked. If I'll tell you normally, what is your experience? You have 4 years of experience. If you have a 4 years of experience, okay, so your salary should be 3x. Simple. There is no mathematics in this one. Everybody is there. There is a 3x. But how you have to get 3x or more than that, okay, that is depend upon your current situation. Do you, what sort of a role? You said that you have been working as a Linux administrator. What role? Are you only working on some user administration, or you are working on troubleshooting? You already know about some shell scripting? Because one of my, that's what I was talking about, that candidate got suddenly 42 LPA. He was working in entity data, okay, and after my classes, because he completed Linux and Bash, and he got a package of 42 LPA. Earlier his package was not that much. So if I'll tell you his package and all, then you'll say, sir, how can it will be possible? So again, see, as per market standard, I can tell you maybe you can deserve more, but what is your current situation? Correct. Where you stands, I need to diagnose you completely, and according to that I can give you suggestions, Kiran, right? So that is there. And see here, so if I share this one, in this one, if I can come over here, what is wrong with spending money on for your career counseling? If you have a stomach pain, you'll go to a doctor, you'll spend money. But this is for your career, you don't wanted to go for a career counseling. I'm keep on telling guys, before going for anything, go first of all. This is not going to cost you much. You are going to invest 30,000, 40,000, anywhere, 10,000, 20,000, or whatever it is, right? So before that, you should make sure what is your direction, right? Without planning, you cannot start a shop, right? Anything, right? Without planning, you cannot do anything. First, you need to plan, right? So I have answered your question. Hey, hi, Javalkar. Okay, so sir, currently I am trying to clear RHCSA certification. If clear, can I get an internship or a job? Okay, so Javalkar, I why they are going to give you internship? First of all, you have done some certification, right, from some prometric center, right? You know, exam 200 is a purely practical exam. So that is not a company, right? So if you're going to give a certificate, go for a certification, so you just going to clear a RHCSA exam 200, and that is clearing. That is not, they are not going to give you internship for that one. For internship, you need to apply to a organization. Suppose if you wanted to do it from my organization, then you have to come and work for my organization. Abroad Technology Services also is providing internship to its candidates. Okay, not only internship we provide. Okay, so job and all. Okay, so job again, guys, you guys are taking things very wrong, right? I have a simple what he has asked. I'll directly relate these things to a normal thing. Okay, so if you get a visa, okay, for example, I am telling you visa. You get a visa of any foreign country. Okay, let's say Dubai. Okay, that means you got a job. No, right? We don't know for what purpose you are going there. It does not mandatory that if you get a visa, okay, or in your passport, so it's like just understand that certification is a way of filtering it out the things. Yes, if you clear that one, right? If you are going to go for any Linux admin role, so there if 100 candidates are there, obviously your resume is going to shortlist it. Why? Because we prefer a candidate who is cleared the RHCSA and RHC. We know what sort of a exam it's all about. It's not like a objective exam, guys. You have to purely implement everything. You have to configure your VM. You have to configure LVM. You have to connect your LDAP. Everything has to be done properly. The user administration, practically, you have to clear the exam, right? So we know this guy has at least he knows about Linux well. Okay, he if he has cleared the exam, so yes, but that does not mean you are suitable for my project, right? Because Linux RHCSA exam is not at all about troubleshooting. Yes, you have practiced something, you have cleared the exam with some dumps, right? That does not mean if you struggle with, if I'll give you a simple scenario to troubleshoot, you are not able to do so, why should I hire you for my team? Because you have done RHCSA exam. Normal question I am asking, guys, these things only. So answer is this is totally depends upon the day when you go for the interview. That is there that yes, if out of 100 candidate, if 10 candidates who has done RHCSA, obviously their resume is going to be shortlisted for. That is the only thing. Simple answer. Right, so I hope I have given your answer, Javalkar. Okay. Again, Mohit, you have asked so many questions. Let others also ask the question. So, sir, I have 2 years of experience in the banking field. Okay, banking domain, not field. This, see, healthcare is one domain, banking is one another domain. Okay, retail is one another domain. E-commerce, retail basically, e-commerce comes under that only, right? So I have worked with most of the domain, right? So I know telecom is also one domain. Okay, so domain is a different thing, right? Skills is a different thing. Please try to segregate the things. Please try to differentiate, understand each and everything very deeply. Then don't just float. Okay, so that is very good that you are into a banking domain, Javalkar. Okay, so you should be aware of so how a banking domain works. There are financial institutions also, like JP Morgan Chase is one company which is a financial institution. Okay, right? So these product based companies are there, service based companies are there. If you guys have anything, I'm ready for that one. Okay, so I think I have answered. Kiran again, sir, when is the next batch of Linux? So next batch of Linux is, Kiran, it's going to, but Kiran, it's going to be in Hindi, because the again I'm going as, see, the current batch which is going on, it's going to be end by this May only. Okay, and the new batch which is going to start by June first week, Kiran. But again, I'm telling you that is going to be Hindi, because the votes I got it. So I don't work something what comes to my mind. Okay, so it's your feedback only. You guys have given me some feedback, sir. I have asked for the voting if you guys wanted to see. So I got so many votes for Hindi classes, for because I have taken so many classes for English for Linux and Bash. And currently it is also going on. So, Kiran, if you wanted to join the current batch also, you can join the current batch. Still, so after this, the enrollment is going to, okay, you understand it good. Okay, that is good, Kiran. Okay, so you can join the batch. That's not a problem. Okay, so Again, see, Javalkar, you are asking two different questions. Please understand what you are asking. Please understand. You are asking, sir, can I shift from banking domain to cloud computing? It's possible. So, banking domain is one thing. So, in banking, only cloud computing. See, cloud computing is a skills. Like Linux is one skill, right? Your bash is one skill. Okay, your database, if you know, that is also one skill. Okay, if you know about cloud, that is also in cloud. Your AWS, Azure cloud, GCP cloud, Alibaba is there. So there are some private clouds are also there, right? So cloud computing means that these are the skills, first of all, Jabalkar, right? So these are the, please understand, these are called skills. Python, just now Mohit is talking about, he knows about Python, he knows about Bash. So that is a skill, right? So in banking domain only you are going to get a cloud computing job. It's not like you can shift from banking. Okay, might be I have taken your question wrong. You are purely, are you from a non-IT background, from banking? I'm asking a question. You are completely from banking, that you done some banking job, right? Like others bank job is there. Are you doing that one? You are from, just tell me, you are from non IT and you wanted to shift to cloud computing, right? This is your question, Javalkar. Okay, so Kiran is that, sir, but I am current batch already. Some topics are done, right? Yes, Kiran. So topics are currently package management is done. So you can go through all previous videos, recordings. It's already uploaded, right? Correct. So that is already uploaded, and you are going to get the access of all the previous videos plus all the document which is uploaded for that batch 6. So you can join that if you want to finish it early. Okay, so bash hardly in like this week I'll be finishing Linux, and then bash will start. So once this month it will be completely finished. But if you wanted to go ahead with fresh batch, so that is going to start by first week of June, Kiran. Okay, and it will be purely Hindi. Okay, so that will, anything is fine. I have already announced, and the timing it's going to be the same. That is 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. in the night or evening, whatever you guys wanted to say. Okay, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Friday. Okay, so that is going to be there. Or if you want to join the existing batch, you can join that one. So you can see, if you join this one, so anyways, it's not like that I'm not going to, or my team is not going to give you support for the previous topic doubts. No. So until the batch will finish, the support will be till that date only, because this is a 3 month, Linux and bash is 3 months. Okay, so these 3 months we are giving support from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. All these things you guys are going to get in my terms and condition only. It will be there, 100% it is there. Everything will be written word by word. There is not a slight change also. Okay, so it's your choice, Kiran. I have given you both the options, right? If you wanted to finish early, also there is another option, that which I have started recently, that as I told you, right? So the videos are, because there are candidates who can't join the live online batches. Okay, so for them, see, these are the things, these are going to be my classes videos only. But there is no these are just recorded, these are just videos. Okay, there is no live support, and this is going to be valid for 1 year access. Okay, so that is there. I have given all the options, Kiran. Okay, sure. It's your, that is good, Kiran. Okay, please join the next batch. Okay, Prem, can you help us to create resume as 5 years of that service is still not live? Okay, Prem. Okay, so that service, once it is going to be live in our portal, so we are going to provide you, and we are going to help you to build your resume also. Okay, slowly, see, it's a we are doing everything, see, every day and night we are working only for you, to give you all the services, right? And I am hiring my team also at the same time, because I cannot do everything, right? I can ask to do someone, right? Because as of now most of the things are done by me only, Sir, as a Linux administrator with 5 years of experience, what salary should I ask for my next? Just now, somebody has asked the same question. You can go through this live session. Okay, just now, same question. Okay, and I have answered a very detailed answer I have given for this one, Prem. So I request you, please just go through the live recording. Okay, somebody has asked the same question. Okay, so I have given answer to him. Okay. So I think, guys, we have connected somewhere around 9:30. Okay, so another 5 minutes is left. Okay, so and at the same time, like, hopefully from next Sunday I'll be joining early, 9 p.m. This is my timing, right? That will be there. Sir, I am loan servicing service. Okay, servicing associate with over 2 years of experience in commercial lending and syndicated loan operation. Currently supporting commerce. Okay, that this is why I ask. Okay, when you said two things, right? So if somebody is from technical, I clearly understand, right? You are from non-technical. When somebody is telling how to switch from banking domain to cloud computing, right? So yes, it is 100% possible. I have so many candidates who is from banking domain. Okay, not only banking domain, they are from non-IT background. Okay, BCom and all, but now they are working in IT. Okay, but I cannot tell you few things publicly. Okay, so my suggestion is that, Javalkar, okay, best you join my first career counseling. There I am going to guide you that how you are going to get this one. Okay, this is very simple path. You no need to leave your job. That is also, you no need to leave your job also, right? And you'll easily able to switch to IT field. Okay, you no need to leave your job. Simple way. There are so many candidates I have guided like this. And if you wanted to see some of the videos, it is there in my channel only as a career counseling. Okay, but it depends, for everybody their scenarios are different. Okay, and for your situation I am going to guide according to your situation only. It's different. Okay, so I need to understand everything, then only I can give you such, whether it is really possible for you or not. See, I don't simply push someone into sea, right? Or like in a like, if somebody will push someone to a swimming pool to swim, no, boss. Let him first understand whether he will be able to swim or not, right? Simple is that. Yeah. First, we have to understand whether he will be able to manage with IT or not. Correct. So that should be there. So first of all, no, it's not free. Obviously, right? You wanted to give money to the doctor for your consultation. Okay, so obviously that is going to charge you something. There is nothing hidden. It's there in my portal. Go to my portal for you, Javalkar. Okay, see here. It's already here. Okay, you can come career counseling. Okay, you can click on this one and just next question. Somebody is asked for mock interview. Yes, it's there. You can go ahead and book the consultation. So it is not like randomly you will come and, sir, take my interview. Arey, boss, I have my own time schedules. I'm running batches and there are so many things, sir. I'm running an organization, boss. Okay, so I have to fix everything on time, right? If I have somebody has given a, if I have given someone some time, so I need to be there at that time, and you need to be there at that time. First of all, respect time, respect everybody knowledge, and respect everybody time. Okay, nothing is free. And if you think that somebody is going to give you a free take, so you can go there. Okay, I am very straightforward, guys. Okay, you wanted to spend money for a pizza or a burger, for OTT platform, okay, for movie theater, right? But you don't want it to invest for yourself, right? This is a harsh reality. Correct. Okay, fine. I think I have given answer. Is this? I have given answer, Javalkar sir. I have given answer to that one, sir. How many years of Linux administration knowledge will we get from your classes? Okay. Kalkin here. Okay. So how many years in my batches? 18 years candidate are learning. They are taking the classes. So what I should tell you? There is one candidate who was 18 years of experience, but they are taking my classes. So if I'll tell you, no, I am going to give you 25 years, that guarantees you something. Until unless if you don't join something, see the content first. Please see the content first, right? You are asking, Vaibhav Suryavanshi is going to hit how many sixes in IPL? How many sixes he can hit, or how many hundreds he can make, boss? These kind of a questions, you are negative about yourself only. Okay, so first of all, understand, go and see, it's my content is publicly available and everybody knows about my content. Okay, what sort of a content, because it's a purely production stuff. So I have a counter question to you, Kalkin. If I'll tell you 20 years, will you going to join my batch? If I'll tell you 20 years, no, 20 years of experience, Arey, who is going to work as a Linux administrator for 20 years? Are you into R&D? So that is what, please understand. So yes, your question is genuine. Okay. So, or we have a mindset that how many years of a warranty we are going to get in this one. I don't know whether I'll live or I die in next minute. I'll get a heart attack and I'll die. Is there a guarantee for that one? Or you are going to get a heart attack and you will die? Nothing is guaranteed, right? So we first start believe in yourself. What decision you are going to take, it should not be on some conditions. Decision is a decision, right? Whether it's a wrong or right doesn't matter. Decision is a decision. You have taken a decision to do the classes for Linux, or before that you wanted to consult with me. I'll give you the right suggestion whether you really need a classes or not. That is also one thing. So problem with us, we always try to do our own medication and will be keep on suffering. Doctors also, no sir, we have taken sir some painkiller sir. So why you have taken painkiller for 2 days without knowing anything? Are you a doctor? Are you MBBS? Did you work in some? There I've seen some YouTubers. They are not even work for 5 years also, right? Be practical. Believe on data. And I am telling you, go and check my content first. Don't believe on me. Go and check my content first. Then just see what sort of a content I am providing. And if I'll tell you, no, most of my candidates are getting selected in Infosys. Maximum candidates, TCS, all service-based company, Cognizant, even their panels are also asking will you believe in on this one? Nobody is going to write it down in some mail and send it to you, right? But yes, I have candidate who there are so many comments and all where they mention through mail, through comments. They, some of them are okay to give me videos of theirs which I have uploaded in my portal also. Soon more and more I'll be uploading. Comments also I have uploaded. Yes, Kiran. So it's going to be 1 year only. Video, no, 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 no. For batch, no, for batch it is 3 years. You can read. See, guys. Now, this is why I said I am not someone who hides something, will tell something very good in the video and then no, boss. I'm very strict. I'm an ethical person, and I totally believe in policies. Okay, process, structure, and which is really going to help you to go for long run, not for a shorter run. Okay, so for this one, Kiran, okay, you see here it is, please read all these terms and condition for batches and everything I have mentioned very detailed. So you should know, and even it's going to be in your invoice also. Same thing will be you are going to get in your invoice. See, read it. Candidates are keep on buying. Okay, see, batches agreement. See, batches agreement, read it. What is batches agreement? Right, see here, So by enrolling into this one, see the batches agreement. This is going to be for 3 years or something. It is mentioned somewhere. Okay, you can read from here, right? Abhrosh video content policy, right? Non-refundable, non-negotiable. This one, right? How many years of access you are going to get? Everything is mentioned here. You can come and you can read it. For batches agreement. See batches agreement, right? Correct. See, for batches duration also it is for 3 months for Linux, plus 2 months for DevOps. This is the batches duration, means classes duration and all. Okay, right? And all the conditions also mention how the batches are going to run. Right? See here, correct. For batches, see it is written properly. Access validity is 3 years, as mentioned in the payment receipt. In the payment receipt, in your invoice, if it is mentioned 100, it's percent 100%. It is going to be as it is. For the batches, if you are going for the batches, okay. If you are going for some services, right, like these services are there, right? These are the services, it is clearly written here, right? These are the services, like interview. These are the content only. This is not a video, pure content. Okay, so for this there is a agreement for that one. For videos, if somebody needs only recorded videos, okay, so for that the access is here. That is a fixed period of 1 year only. Service validity and access. Who will write it down this much of clarity? One time appointment also we have given. Same thing will be there in your receipt, right? Everything I made it very transparent, clear, crystal clear, transparent. I don't hide anything. Okay. This is why my success, I don't say again success rate. It depends upon your effort. First, implement. Take a decision in your life. If you can't take a decision, then do a career counseling first of all. Okay, that's it for today, guys. So let's end up this live session today only, or now only. Okay, so let's meet up again on the next live session. That is 69th live session of Engineer Abhishek Roshan channel. Till then, just take care of yourself, your loved one. Bye bye, and Jai Hind. And please do subscribe the channel, guys, because again, your subscription is directly proportional to my effort. Okay, so I am giving my effort, but your support needs it, right? So that is required. Okay, fine. That's it, guys. Let's anyways take care of yourself and your loved ones. Bye bye.